Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to transfer your WhatsApp chat to your new phone. In this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open your WhatsApp. After opening the top right side corner of your screen, you can get three dots option. Just tap on it. From here open the settings. Okay, in the settings open chat. Okay, like this, and scroll down. Here you can get the option transfer chat. Just tap on it like this. Now tap on start. It will open the QR code scanner on your phone. So here are the some instruction how to transfer your chat. So if you want to transfer your chat to your new phone, first you need to download the WhatsApp on your new phone, and you need to register with your same mobile number. Okay, and then you need to scan that QR code from this old phone. Okay, now it will start the transferring the chat from old phone to new phone. Okay, so this is a very easy and very simple method. In case guys, if the transfer chat history feature is not showing on your phone, simply go to the Google Play Store and here search the WhatsApp and update the WhatsApp app from your Play Store. After this guys, you can easily able to get that feature. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.